How to see which devices are connected to Android Hotspot. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Wi-Fi and Network. After you have clicked on Wi-Fi and Network, in here click on Hotspot and Tethering. After that, click on Wi-Fi Hotspot at the top. After that, at the bottom, click on Connected Device Manager. In here, you'll find all the devices that are connected to your Android hotspot. Right now, no device is connected to my hotspot, so there is no device connected. And this is how to see which devices are connected to your Android hotspot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.